celebrating Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month and my birthday month, so let's celebrate long life with pancit. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a healthier version of Pancit Bihon Guisado using Shirataki noodles. This bowl of noodles will actually promote long life. So let's get to it! We'll start off by making our chicken broth using half a pound of organic pasture-raised chicken, about 4 to 5 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Fill a stock pot with water. Add the chicken, sea salt, and onion powder to give our broth some extra flavor. Add some more water so that there is enough to cover your chicken. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil. While the chicken is boiling, cut and prep all your vegetables. For the carrots, we first cut them on the bias, then cut them into strips. For the green beans, cut off the ends, then slice them diagonally. Slice half a stalk of celery into about 1/4 inch slices. We don't want to add too much celery to our pancit as it can have the potential to overpower the dish. For the cabbage, we just roughly shred it into pieces. Once the chicken is cooked, about 15 minutes, remove the chicken from the pot. Save the broth and set it aside. Carefully slice the chicken thinly into bite-sized pieces. Here's all that we should have prepped and ready to go. Don't forget to chop up some garlic and onions to guisa or saute with. I also have our sauces set aside as well. The full recipe will be in the description box, so make sure to check it out. On to the Shirataki noodles. There's actually many variations of Shirataki noodles you can use. Here, I'm using angel hair Shirataki noodles by Miracle Noodle, but hang out to the end of the video and I'll show you the other kinds and where you can buy them. Drain the noodles in a colander and rinse the noodles under running water. Pat dry them well with paper towels to absorb as much moisture as you can. Place the noodles in a hot pan without any grease or liquids. Fry over medium-high heat until you see water steaming out of the noodles about 5 minutes. Transfer to a platter and set aside. Time to cook our veggies. Over medium heat, coat a wok with avocado oil. Once the oil is hot, saute the onions until fragrant for about 1 minute. Next, add in the garlic and saute for another minute or until brown. Toss in the chicken and mix for another minute. Add in the liquid aminos, fish sauce, and vegetarian oyster sauce. Give it a good stir. Then start to add 1/4 of a cup of the chicken broth at a time from the previously boiled chicken. Add the green beans, carrots, and celery to the wok. Stir fry for about a minute. Add the cabbage last as you want this to be a bit crispy and not too overcooked. Give this one good mix for another 2 to 3 minutes. You can adjust the seasonings accordingly here to your liking and add more chicken broth in 1/4 cup increments as needed until the vegetables are tender yet still crisp. Once all the vegetables are cooked, add them to your platter of Shirataki noodles and mix it all together. This is my flippin' happy version of Pancit Bihon Guisado using Shirataki noodles that is sure to give you long life. Make sure to check out the first part of my Pancit Bihon video where I talk about the benefits of Shirataki noodles and how it helps us to feel fuller longer and will actually promote long life. You can buy all different kinds of Shirataki noodle varieties from Thrive Market, like spaghetti, angel hair, fettuccine, and even ramen. They're all gluten-free and keto-friendly. Use my promo link to get 25% off your first order, and when you use the auto ship for the first time, you'll get an additional 30% off. Here's to long life. Let's try it. It's so good. Let's give it a squeeze of lemon too. It's so good. You can just taste all of the savory flavors in here. It's so delicious. You guys have to try this.